Right now, as you listen to this video, a hidden process is taking place inside your body. Tiny repairs are happening every second. Cells are being replaced. Damaged tissues are being rebuilt. Muscles are recovering from daily wear and tear. Even parts of your skin are renewing themselves without you noticing. Most people rarely think about these processes because they happen silently, deep beneath the surface. Yet the speed and quality of these repairs can influence almost every part of life, from energy levels and strength to recovery and long-term health. What makes this even more fascinating is that the difference between a body that repairs itself efficiently and one that struggles often comes down to a factor many people overlook every single day. For years, countless people have searched for expensive supplements, complicated health routines, and miracle solutions that promise better recovery and improved well-being. Yet some of the most powerful tools for helping the body heal have been sitting in kitchens, grocery stores, and dinner plates all along. Modern research continues to reveal that certain foods contain remarkable nutrients capable of supporting the body's natural repair systems in ways that many people never expected. These foods do not perform magic. They do something far more impressive. They provide the raw materials your body needs to rebuild itself from the inside out. The human body is one of the most advanced repair machines ever known. Every day, it faces challenges from stress, poor sleep, environmental toxins, intense physical activity, aging, and countless other sources of wear and tear. Small amounts of damage occur constantly. Blood vessels experience strain. Muscle fibers develop microscopic tears. Cells are exposed to harmful compounds known as free radicals. Even the healthiest people experience these processes. The difference is that a healthy body works tirelessly to repair this damage before it becomes a larger problem. The question is whether it has the nutrients necessary to complete that job effectively. Many people believe that healing only happens when they are injured or sick. The truth is far more surprising. Your body is repairing itself every moment of every day. The skin you see in the mirror is constantly renewing. The tissues that support your movement are continuously rebuilding. Your immune system is working around the clock to protect and restore normal function. Even your bones are engaged in a lifelong cycle of breaking down old tissue and creating new tissue. This process never truly stops. Yet there is a hidden challenge that becomes more important with age. As the years pass, the body's repair systems often become less efficient. Recovery may take longer. Energy may not return as quickly. Small issues can linger longer than they once did. Many people accept this as an unavoidable part of life, but nutrition can play a much bigger role than most realize. Some of the foods discussed in this video contain nutrients that help support collagen production, a process that contributes to the maintenance and repair of skin, connective tissues, and blood vessels. Others provide high-quality protein, which serves as the building material for muscles and many other tissues throughout the body. Certain foods are packed with antioxidants that help protect cells from damage before it accumulates. Others contain compounds known for supporting a healthy inflammatory response, an important factor because excessive inflammation can slow the body's ability to recover efficiently. What makes this topic even more interesting is that some of these foods may already be part of your routine, yet their full benefits often go unnoticed. A simple ingredient found in many kitchens contains compounds that scientists have studied for decades. A common breakfast food delivers nutrients that support repair and recovery more effectively than many people realize. Certain colorful fruits contain powerful plant compounds that help defend cells against daily stress. The more researchers investigate these foods, the more impressive the findings become. Throughout this video, you will discover several superfoods that stand out for their ability to support the body's natural repair processes. You will learn why these foods matter, what nutrients make them so effective, and how they may contribute to better recovery and overall health. Along the way, you will also uncover lesser-known facts about how the body repairs itself and why some nutrients are far more important than most people think. A few of the foods on this list may surprise you, especially when you learn how much influence they can have on systems working quietly behind the scenes every single day. And make sure you stay with us until the very end, because the final lesson may be the most important of all. Many people focus on finding one perfect superfood, believing it holds the secret to better health. The reality is far more powerful. And understanding this principle could completely change the way you think about recovery, healing, and long-term wellness. By the end of this video, you'll see why the body's repair system is far more remarkable than most people realize, and how simple choices can make a meaningful difference over time. Welcome to our channel, where we explore fascinating health insights backed by science and presented in a simple and practical way. If you enjoy learning about nutrition, wellness, and the hidden processes that keep your body working at its best, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upcoming video. Now, let's begin with the first superfood that helps your body repair itself faster than you might think. Every single day, your body is fighting a battle that most people never see. It is not a battle against one major threat. It is a battle against thousands of tiny forms of damage that happen as part of normal life. Every step you take, every workout you complete, every stressful moment you experience, and even the simple process of getting older creates wear and tear inside your body. Millions of cells become damaged each day. That might sound alarming, but it is actually normal. The human body was designed to handle this challenge. It constantly removes damaged cells and replaces them with new ones. It repairs tissues, rebuilds muscles, restores skin, and keeps vital systems functioning. The problem begins when the body does not have everything it needs to do this work efficiently. Stress is one of the biggest factors that can increase the amount of damage your body must repair. Modern life places many people under constant pressure. Deadlines, financial concerns, lack of relaxation, and mental strain can all affect the body. During stressful periods, the body produces hormones that are useful in short bursts, but can become harmful when they remain elevated for long periods. Over time, this can increase inflammation and place extra demands on your body's repair systems. Poor sleep creates another challenge. While you sleep, many important repair processes become more active. Muscles recover. Hormones are regulated. Cells perform maintenance work. When sleep is cut short night after night, the body has less time to complete these tasks effectively. Even exercise, which is incredibly healthy, creates temporary damage. During physical activity, muscle fibers experience tiny tears. This is a normal part of becoming stronger. The body responds by repairing those fibers and making them more resilient. But this process requires nutrients. Without them, recovery can take longer. Aging also plays a role. As the years pass, the body's repair mechanisms often become less efficient. Recovery that once took a day may take several days. Skin may heal more slowly. Energy levels may not bounce back as quickly. Pollution adds another layer of stress by exposing the body to harmful compounds that can damage cells. Illness places enormous demands on repair systems as well, forcing the body to use valuable resources to recover and restore balance. Fortunately, the body is remarkably capable of repairing itself. It knows exactly what to do. The challenge is providing the materials needed for the job. Think of it like a construction project. Even the most skilled builders cannot complete their work without bricks, wood, steel, and tools. In the same way, your body needs protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Without them, repair slows down. When repair slows down, the effects may begin to appear in everyday life. energy levels may drop. Recovery after physical activity may take longer. The immune system may struggle to perform at its best. Inflammation may become more difficult to control. Small issues that were once barely noticeable can become larger concerns over time. This is why food matters so much. Every meal is an opportunity to support the body's natural repair systems or make their job harder. Some foods provide valuable nutrients that help rebuild tissues and protect cells. Other foods offer very little nutritional value and may even contribute to inflammation when consumed excessively. The difference between these choices may not be obvious in a single day, but over months and years, the impact can be significant. One of the most powerful foods for supporting repair is also one of the simplest. Eggs have been part of human diets for thousands of years, yet many people still underestimate their nutritional value. An egg may seem small, but inside that shell is an impressive collection of nutrients designed to support growth and development. One reason eggs stand out is their high-quality protein. Protein is essential because it provides amino acids, often called the building blocks of life. These amino acids are used to create and repair tissues throughout the body. When muscles recover after exercise, protein helps rebuild damaged fibers. When skin repairs itself after daily wear and tear, protein plays a role. When the immune system creates important proteins needed for defense, amino acids are required. This is one reason eggs are often considered one of the most complete protein sources available. They contain all of the essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. But protein is only part of the story. Eggs also contain important vitamins and minerals that support recovery and overall health. They provide nutrients involved in energy production, brain function, and cellular maintenance. The yolk, which many people once avoided, contains several valuable compounds that support normal body functions. This combination of protein and nutrients makes eggs a powerful food for helping the body repair itself. Another advantage is how easy eggs are to include in daily meals. They can be prepared in many different ways and paired with other nutritious foods. For people looking to support muscle recovery, maintain healthy skin, or strengthen overall wellness, eggs offer an affordable and practical option. Yet repairing damaged tissue is only one part of the process. Building new cells is important, but controlling inflammation is equally important. Inflammation is a natural response that helps the body protect itself. When you get injured or sick, inflammation helps trigger healing. The problem arises when inflammation becomes excessive or remains elevated for too long. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health concerns and may interfere with the body's ability to recover efficiently. This is where another remarkable group of foods enters the picture. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are known for their impressive nutritional profile. These fish provide high-quality protein, but they are especially valued for their omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are a type of healthy fat that plays an important role in many functions throughout the body. Researchers have spent decades studying omega-3 fatty acids and their effects on inflammation. These healthy fats help support a balanced inflammatory response, which can be beneficial for recovery and overall health. This is one reason athletes and health-conscious individuals often include fatty fish in their diets. The combination of protein and omega-3s creates a powerful nutritional package. Muscles benefit from the protein found in fish, while the omega-3 fatty acids help support recovery processes throughout the body. The immune system also relies on proper nutrition to function effectively, and fatty fish provide several nutrients that contribute to overall wellness. Beyond recovery, omega-3s are involved in supporting brain health, heart health, and many other important systems. Yet even protein and omega-3 fatty acids are not enough to fully support the body's repair systems. Another challenge is taking place inside your cells every single day. As your body produces energy and responds to environmental stressors, unstable molecules known as free radicals are created. These molecules can damage cells if they accumulate in large amounts. This process is known as oxidative stress, and it is one of the reasons antioxidants are so important. Berries are among the richest natural sources of antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and other colorful berries contain plant compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Their vibrant colors are not just attractive. They are often a sign of powerful compounds working behind the scenes. These antioxidants act like a defense system, helping to reduce the impact of cellular damage. By supporting cell protection, berries may help the body maintain healthier tissues over time. They also contain vitamin C, an important nutrient involved in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps support skin, blood vessels, connective tissues, and many other structures throughout the body. Berries offer another advantage. They provide these nutrients while also being naturally sweet and enjoyable to eat. This makes them an easy addition to a balanced diet. Whether added to breakfast, blended into a smoothie, or enjoyed as a snack, berries deliver valuable compounds that help support the body's ongoing repair work. And speaking of collagen, the next group of foods plays an important role in helping the body build and maintain tissues from the inside out. Your body is constantly trying to heal, every single day, every hour, every minute. Even while you sleep, millions of cells are being repaired, tissues are being rebuilt, and important systems are working quietly behind the scenes to keep you healthy. The amazing part is that your body already knows how to do this. It has been doing it since the day you were born. The real question is whether you're giving it the materials it needs to perform at its best. Simple foods like eggs, fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, turmeric, and nuts may not look extraordinary, but each one provides valuable nutrients that help support the body's natural repair systems. Together, they supply the protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your cells depend on every day. While many people search for expensive shortcuts and miracle solutions, the truth is often much simpler. Some of the most powerful tools for better recovery, stronger immunity, healthier skin, and long-term wellness can already be found in ordinary foods. And that's an important reminder. Good health is rarely built through one dramatic change. It is built through small choices repeated consistently over time. Every healthy meal is an investment in your future self. Every nutrient-rich food is another opportunity to support the incredible repair work happening inside your body right now. So the next time you sit down to eat, remember that you're not just feeding your hunger. You're helping build new cells. You're supporting recovery. You're giving your body the resources it needs to stay strong and resilient for years to come. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos. We share fascinating health facts, science-backed nutrition tips, and practical ways to improve your well-being. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.